You hungry? Here you go. Here. Okay, okay. Hold on. Boy, are you hungry? I know it, I know it, I know it, it's coming. Oh, sweetheart. This poor starving bird. Oh. It's okay. You got a little mess on you there, Bubba. Here you go. You sound like a squeak toy. You sound like a little squeak toy. Hold on. Oh. Here you go. You got a little mess on your nose. Here. Aww. Poor thing. Did you make a mess? Huh? Thank you. Thank you. Do you need some more? Little piggy. Okay. Hold on. I'm having syringe issues here. Can I make some more? Can I make some more? I'll make you some more. I'll be right back. And that's Bubba.